Every day hides a story, some forgotten, some that change everything. On October 27, 1978, Egyptian President Anwar Sadat and Israel Prime Minister Menachem Begin were jointly awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for their efforts in reaching the Camp David Accords and subsequent treaty. On October 27, 1858, Theodore Roosevelt was born in New York City.